Good morning class. In today's video we will continue our chapter square and square root. Our first question says to find the square root of 0.1764. So what we will do, first we will find the LCM of 1764, which is as this: 2 multiplied by 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So we have written this pair under the radical sign, and we will also break 10,000 in multiples of 10. We will write it as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Now we got the pair of numbers here. Now we will take one number from each pair. We got pair of 2 here, so we'll take 1 2 from here. We got pair of 3 here, we will take 1 3 from here, and from pair of 7 we will take 1 7. Again from pair of 10 we will take out 1 10, and from pair of this 10 we will take out 1 10 again. Now as soon as we unpair the number, this radical sign will be removed. So we will get our answer as 2 multiplied by 3 into 7 upon 10 into 10, which will be equal to 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42 upon 100. And we will change this fraction into a decimal number, which will be 0.42. Our next question is to find the square root of 0.25 upon 289. So what we will do here, we will split this. First of all, we will remove the decimal as this. So this will be equal to we have removed the decimal and written here 10, and here there are 3 places decimal, so we will write here 1000, and here 1 place decimal, so we will write 10 in the numerator and 1000 in the denominator. Now we will split 225 and 289. We will split 100 as 10 into 10. Now we can see we have got pairs of number. We got pair of 15 here, and we got pair of 17 in the denominator, and pair of 10 in the denominator as well. We will just unpair this, so it will be 15 upon 17 into we will cancel 15 and 10. This will be 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Our final answer is 3 upon 17 2s are 34. This is our final answer. Now we'll come to the next part of the question. The question says we have to find the under root of these numbers, which is in multiplication. So first of all, we can see mixed fraction is given over here, so we will first convert this mixed fraction like this. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9 upon 5. 14 into 44 plus 21 is 637 upon 44. 5 into 55 plus 7 is 117 upon 55. Now again we will take the LCM of 637, which would be equal to 7 91 times, then 7 13 times, and 13 one time. So we will break this 637 as 7 into 7 into 13, and we will also take the LCM of 117, which will be 9 times, 13 and 13 one time. We took 9 over here so that we can pair 9 with this 9. So now we can see the pair of number. We got 2 9 over here, 2 7 and 2 13. 2 times 13. 2 times 5 we got, 2 times 11, 2 times 2. And this is our radical sign because we have to find the square root of this number. We will unpair the number. We will take 1 9 from pair of 9, 1 7 from pair of 7, 1 13 from pair of 13, 1 5 from pair of 5, 1 11 from pair of 11, and we will unpair 2. As soon as we unpair the number, our radical sign will be removed, and we will multiply this quantity in the numerator and in the denominator, which we will get as this product, 119 upon 110. This is our answer for this question of finding the square root of this sum. Our next part is to find the square root of given numbers by division method. Now this is something new which you are going to understand, which you are going to learn in this chapter. Here you have to find the square root of 276676. That is 2,76,676. Now class, understand this very properly. In first step, to find by division method, we will pair the number given in the question from right hand side. As we have paired here, we will always pair the number from right hand side. So we have paired this 76, then 66 and 27. Now in division method, we have to read the table of squares. We don't have to do the simple division as we are doing in smaller classes. We have, in this division method, we have to read the table of square. Now first part is 27, so we will take it by 5, square table of 5, that is 5 5s are 25. We will write 5 in the quotient and 5 here in divisor part. Now we will subtract this. So we got 7 minus 5 is 2, and we will just copy the next pair in the remainder, which is 266. Now our next step is to double the quotient. We will double the quotient and write as 10 in the divisor. Now again we will read the square table. So it will be 2 2s are 4, and we will multiply this 202 by 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, and 2 1s are 2. So we got 204. If we will take 3 times, it will be more than that number. It will be 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0, and 3 1s are 3. It is 309. It is coming 309, which is greater than 266. So we will take with this square table of 2, which is given as 204. Now again we will subtract this, and we will get 2 6, and we will copy the next pair, that is 76. Again we will double the quotient part, which is 52. Now we will double 52. So what we will get, if we just multiply 52 2 times, two 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. So we got 104. Now again we have to think of a square table which is not more than 6276. So it will be 6. We will take it by 6, because if we take 6 6, we'll get 6 in the ones position. So it will be 104 6 6 are 36. It will be 3 here. 6 4s are 24, and 3 27. 6 zeros are 0, and 2 6 1s are 6. So we got 6276, which is our remainder. And then finally we will subtract, and we'll get our answer as remainder as 0. So square root of 2,76,676 is 526. This is our square root of this number. We'll do some more questions. Let us solve this question. Now this is a question of a decimal number. We have to find the square root of 605.16. Again we will do by division method. we have to pair the whole number. In this question there are two parts of this number. This is a whole number and this one is a decimal number. So we will pair decimal number separately and whole number separately from right hand side. So we have to make the pair of two numbers. So we have paired 16, we have paired 0, 5 and 6 is left, which is unpaired. Now we have to read the square table. So this is 2 2s are 4, subtract it, we'll get 2 0 5. The next pair will be copied down. Now we have to double the quotient. It will be 2 into 2, that is 4. This is our next step. Now we have to think of a next number which could be written here so that it is not greater than 205. So if we take 3 times, it will be 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. This is 129. We'll also check by 4 times. It is 4 4s are 16 and 4 4s are 16, 117. This is 176. Let us check 5 times also. So this is 5 5s are 25. 5 we will carry 2. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. So here we are getting 225, which is more than our remainder, that is 205. So we will take it 4 times. So here it will be by multiplying 4 times we got 176. So we will write here 176 and we will subtract it. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 7 2, and we will copy our next pair, that is 16. We put decimal here and continue our next step. Now again we will double the quotient. 24, double of 24 is 48. We will write 48 here. Now we have to think of number so that our number is not greater than 2916. So let us think the number. If we take 48 6 times, let us check that is it right or wrong. 6 6 are 36. 6 carry 3. 6 4s are 6 8s are 48 and 3 51. 5 will carry 5. 6 4s are 24 and 5, this is 29. This is only our requirement. So we will take 6 times. This is 2916. Now the remainder is 0. We'll stop here. So square root of 605.16 is 24.6. This is our answer. Some more questions I will give you in the PDF form, which you have to solve in your FAIR register, and we will solve the next part of this chapter in the next video. Thank you.